Hey Victoria, this is Becky. You did a great job on your exercise 5, but I wanted to give you a couple of pointers. Um, in the percent total text table that you created, what these values are here, you label them percent total, but they're actually percentiles, and percentiles doesn't really fit for this type of exercise. I would typically use a percentile. For example, if I had a group of student test scores and I wanted to see how well students did compared to everybody else. Instead, we want percent of total. That in that calculation, all of the totals would add up to 100, so you'd know the percentage each part would have of the total. So to do that, just go down here to sum, the one with the triangle. That's where you've added your quick table calculation. Click that downward arrow, go to click table calculation, and just change that to percent of total. And so now you could see if you added all of these numbers up, they would add to 100. And also I wanted to, this is just a pointer and it's not something we really talked about much in class, but I noticed that when you worked through your calculations, your total number of reservation checkouts added a decimal point in, and a decimal point wouldn't be appropriate for this type of exercise because there's not partial checkouts which would create a decimal point. There's only full, a individual transaction. So to change that, that's really easy. Just click on one of those numbers and then right click and then select format, which opens up this pane over here on the left. And I'm going to click on fields and measure names. That's what we're working with here. Then I'm going to click on pane. Never mind. I see I've clicked on something not quite right. Let's do that again. I'm going to click on format, measure values. It's measure values, and then numbers right here. We don't need that decimal point, so we just click down here to 0, and that removed the decimal point. Sorry if that was a little confusing, but hopefully knowing the difference between percentile and percent total will help you sometime in the future. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.